expand (5a) plus 3c squared. We want to expand this. How do we solve this? Solution. We are going to use the algebraic identity in expanding this. So we have 5a plus 3c squared. This will give us what? Based on what we have here, we are going to have, we take the first one, it will be 5a. That's the first item, square, plus 2 into bracket the first one, which is 5a, into bracket the second one, which is 3c. Then we square this again. Square. So the first one square, the 2 into bracket the first one, multiplied by the second one, then plus the second one square. So that is the formula. So in that case, we now simplify this. These two will affect each of the item we have inside the bracket. So this is like 5 square a square. Then plus, what do we have? 2 times 5. 10 times 3. That is 30. So we have 30ac plus the square we have fed this 3. Then we now have 3 square c square. Now, what is 5 square? 5 square is 5 times 5, and that's 25. So we have 25a squared plus 30ac plus what? 3 square. What do we have? That's 9. So we have 9c squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.